Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today I want to show you a new project called Super Miner, yeah? And I have to say in general, I'm not the biggest fan of miners because usually you just invest there your BNB, BUSD or whatsoever. They are locked in the contract and then you can't get them out, okay? Unless you get so many rewards that you cover your initial investment. But there are two reasons, or actually three, why I would say this is somehow not a bad miner. Because first reason, guys, you get 1%, 1.5% daily. That's not crazy high, so it could be somehow sustainable. I will also show you here. It's pretty new. It's like 3 weeks old, and as you can see, the contract balance is going up. Okay, so it's not going down. It's not getting drained or anything like this. So this is a reason it's still okay. So you're still one of the earlier investors, I would say, and it's not like going down, like going up and now going down. It's still going up, okay, slightly at least, okay. So and then I have to show you the good feature. The really good feature is that, look here, a unique feature of the project is the ability to pick up the deposit at any time, okay. So different, it's really different because you just pay the 10%, the withdrawal fee is 10%. So it's not like with other miners that it's locked in the contract and you can't get it out anyway. Here you can get it out, okay, that's good, I would say. And yeah, the minimum deposit is 0.1 BNB, maximum per week 10 BNB, okay. So as of right now, 1 BNB is about $260. That means like 2.6K you can invest per week. And yeah, there is also, guys, there's also, I mean, it's pretty easy. Here you select you connect your wallet, yeah, you select the amount that you want to invest and you can withdraw it anytime, just pay the fee. And here you will see your rewards. You can reinvest them here. That means you compound, okay, that means like your initial investment is more, it's getting higher, or you can withdraw them, okay, your rewards. There will be a referral link available after the first deposit. And as of right now, the good thing is you can see the contract balance is about $183,000, guys, okay. So yeah, there's the referral program. First line 10%, second line you get 6, third line 5%, and you can see 3 and 1%. So guys, as always, I would say never invest any money that you are not willing or able to lose. I mean, if you, for example, invest money and you lose it, it should not cause a feeling in you that you want to jump out of the window because you're going crazy and you don't know how to buy food next month or crazy stuff like this, So first of all, always do your own research, guys, because I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just here to show different projects and opportunities where you could invest your money, yeah. But always do your own research before invest your own money, guys. Okay, that's very important. So yeah, this project 1.5% daily, you deposit BNB, and that's how it works, guys. Pretty easy to understand, but yeah, if you like it, invest in it, give it a shot, give it a try, and whatever, guys. Okay, so if you want. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Oh, and one more feature. There's the audit. I almost forgot the audit. Look here. It's not written in the best way you could write it because, listen, backdoor for investor funds can be withdrawn by not owner. Bugs allowing to steal money from the contract were not detected in this code. So, I mean, if the funds cannot be withdrawn, it's good. And if there are also no bugs where your money can be stolen, it's also good, guys, okay? So, but it's not written, they didn't use the best grammar, so to say, guys, okay? So, yes, guys, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.